Alright, so what is up, YouTube? As y'all can see, it is snowing in the city, man. We done got some crazy snow. I don't know how many inches, but shoot, y'all could try to count it, man. But it was a lot, shorty. Today, we are fixing. Well, no, we ain't fixing, but I'm finna drop off this car. I don't know if I'm gonna let it warm up. God, this motherfucker struggling, shorty. I'm finna pull it out though so y'all can see the damage is better, but we are getting this car finally fixed. Not the suspension. I really should drop it off for the suspension, but I got quoted like $1,600. I was just thinking like, should I just pay that $1,600 or should I just catch? Man, I ain't gonna tell y'all too much, but let me just show y'all what we finna fix today. So we finna drop it off. We already late, bro. We like an hour late, but we finna fix 1, 2, 3, 4, all of this. These scratches, and it's crazy because it scratches right there, but it ain't scratches right here. If y'all can see, I don't know what they got going on, but we gonna fix that, and then they was fixing this, which obviously, bro, can't nobody see it, but I just know it's there. Like y'all probably don't even know it's there. Y'all can't even see. Well, this car's so damn dirty, bro, but that's what we doing today. We dropping this car off to, what is the shop, like Gerber? Gerber, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I did go to school, but I did not go to college. You don't need college to own shit like this, shorty. And I've been driving this motherfucker too. Do not drive cars like this in the wintertime. Cause they are bad. Y'all ain't seen this cat in a minute, bro. I told y'all I'm not dropping a video with this cat until I drop at least 10 videos with this Zl1. This joint don't be wanting to close, bro. When that joint don't want to close, this is what I do, shorty, because the sensor's at the bottom. So this is what your boy Davo got to do. It's closing, step over and out. Over and out. Whoa. Come on, Sosa. Finna give me a damn copyright, shorty. We are on the way there right now, cause I low-key gotta be back. I gotta drop off one of them two-row cars downtown. If y'all don't know, I do rentals, so if y'all want a rental, make sure that y'all hit your boy Davo, shorty.
A few moments later.
In this video too, I think that I wanna drop it off to Chevy to see what's going on with the engine light. So that's what we gonna do also in this video. We gonna drop it off to Chevy to see what's going on with the motherfucking engine light, cause that shit bothering me, man. It went off, but it came right back on. Should I tell y'all why I came back on? I don't know. But hey, actually, I'm finna tell y'all boys, I forgot that my car was in first gear, bro. I did a crazy, stupid pull, bro, in first gear. I was leaving like a warehouse parking lot, bro, and I did a crazy, stupid pull in first gear, shorty. That bitch popped on. Them seatbelts so freaking cold, bro. Hey, I wonder do they make, I don't think that they make all red seats in these cars, but that'll be crazy, bro. Some all red Alcantara. I don't know if this Alcantara is suede. I don't even know the difference, bro. They told me that this car is gonna be here for 4 days. That's a long time, bro, for some damn paint. I wonder what the hell they finna do. I'm gonna tell y'all though when I pick it up how much. But yeah, man, it was not cheap. I should've just did the suspension, but I'm just picky, bro. That's the thing with me, I'm too motherfucking picky, which I should have did the suspension when I had a chance, but I just feel like, man, this motherfucking driving, shorty, and I be sliding it anyways, bro. I be having the urge to slide this car more than sliding my damn cat for some crazy reason. And it's probably because I got on them damn templates, bro. I be acting a fool in this damn car. Oh, bro, this ice and snow mode. Look, this car got an ice and snow mode. And it's still ass in ice and snow mode. Phoning with a total this big. Alright, look, I'm gonna give y'all a little pull right here. Damn! Y'all just heard that, shorty? I thought that was a TRX. I was finna call phone on. No bullshit. Or am I? Damn, somebody was all the way on the side, shorty. There we go. Oh, look. There goes my baby. 12. Yeah, y'all, we pulling up to her right now, so I'm finna drop off this cut to them. And they finna have it for the next 4 days. And this video has not been dropped, shorty, so don't be coming up here and trying to steal my motherfucking car, shorty. I still need a kill switch, too. In this video, I might do a kill switch, too. Well, no, that's a whole nother video, bro. But today, in this video, shorty, we just worry about the engine light, and then we finna get that joint fixed. I'm just give y'all some little bonus content also, so just enjoy it, shorty. All right, y'all, so we finna leave it here. Y'all literally can't even tell. But we are leaving it here right now. My Uber literally around the corner. I don't know, I'm gonna just check. I'm gonna just take, oh, I just damn near forgot. And I just literally told him that I got everything. And I was just gonna leave the most important thing today, bro, that I needed. Just gonna do the most stupidest thing on earth. Oh, here go my fucking pocket knife, shorty. I forgot about everything. I'm gonna take this too. Shots, no, I'm gonna leave it for
2,000 years later.
So right now we are currently in the daily. Right now I'm finna go pick up the motherfucking mirror, shorty. They just gave me a text. They said that it was done 2 days early, man. It was supposed to take 5 days. It really only took 2 days, really, bro. So really like 3 days early. So hey, that's my early Christmas present, man. They was not slacking. They was on it. We on the way right now, though. Can't wait to see how that motherfucker look. But I hope that they really like sanded it down and did what they needed to do and painted it the right way and not just took a little ass brush and just painted it with the OEM paint. We'll see when we get there. That shit was fucking, as y'all seen in the beginning of the video, bro, that shit cooked, bro. Cook. But a lot of y'all didn't even notice it. Like, it's just somewhere, it's something that a lot of people won't even notice unless a person shows them. So I'm gonna let y'all boys know when we get there, but we got a long way. Gotta go to Indiana to pick that motherfucker up. Alright, y'all, so we just made it. And this crap look OEM, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Damn, did they clean the car? Look, though. Y'all can't even tell it was painted. Should look crazy. I'm gonna put a little before and after too. Nothing at all, shorty. Man, this motherfucker look crazy now. This motherfucker look crazy. Yeah, they definitely vacuumed this motherfucker out. They definitely fake cleaned it for me. I definitely appreciate that. Bro, my engine light went off. I don't know. They probably cleared it. I don't know, but the engine light is off. Next, the only thing I gotta really do on this vehicle is my kill switch. So I gotta get a kill switch, obviously, still for this car. We go definitely. Damn, this motherfucker. Like, you could tell when this motherfucker sit. The brakes sound even worse. Hey, what's y'all favorite color ambient light? Hold on, let me turn off this flash. Go that red. I kind of don't like how it changed so, like, slow. Y'all can tell, like, it fade into the next color. That's just some picky shit, though. But, damn, this pink low-key hidden, shorty. Only if they had it go like that all the way down. They need to put some ambience right here. Oh, I'm tweaking. I'm stopping. There's not even a stop sign. Stop sign? What stop sign? But nah, let me see. Click a few. I know y'all damn don't want to see that purple. Let me see. And they got some little fading joints too. That red and that blue. I don't even know how that. Oh, that's like that. They got all type of shit. Barcelona. Nah, I think. Oh yeah, that's like some motherfucking Jamaican. That Mexico going on. Oh yeah, Davo tweaking. Davo little ass tweaking. Oh, y'all just seen that? I don't know if y'all could really see how this video coming. Definitely got to get some new tires too, cause these tires on this motherfucker is bad, bro. I ain't been getting good tires no more for my cat. Y'all know my cat, I used to run only Mickey Thompson Street Comp. I used to run them, but shoot, now, like I still got them on my wheels, but I used to run them on my stocks too. But like now, I just been running like the cheaper tires, cause y'all know I've been into slime and shit lately, so I've been running like the Lexani's and stuff like that. But I forgot what these tires on here called, like full weight, something like that, or like fairway, something like that, bro. These like the cheapest, like, bro, I even looked them up, bro. They cheaper than Lexani's, and I thought that Lexani's was cheap. Lexani's like 120, 130 each. New, nigga, these damn are like 87, some crazy stupid shit. But yeah, so we go definitely get some tires on this joint soon, but I don't know how soon. 10. Hey, let me know if I should get stars in this joint too. Hey, just comment what y'all really want to see your boy Davo get in this joint. I'm finna just throw this mug in the garage, and then I'm gonna try to find some imperfections with that paint. But bro, that paint looks so perfect, bro. Glad I did that, cause I'm just too picky, bro. Cause now I feel good about myself. Now all I gotta do is get these brakes and shit situated, and I'm Gucci. $10,000 miles. I might do a 10,000 mile review, and I might do I bought a Camaro again. I might do that video again. I feel like the first one did decent, but I feel like it ain't get the traction I wanted. So I might do one of them again. I might just go to like a random dealership, get an oil change. Well, I might not even get an oil change. I just might look at cars and then redo that video again, so it gets the traction that I want. I need 100K in 3 days, shorty. But nah, so I got some more videos coming with this joint. I'm finna just keep, y'all already know your boy Davo, bro. I don't take breaks, bro. We go keep spamming, shorty. Keep spamming. But I gotta hop on this motherfucking E-way real soon. So I'm gonna let y'all boys know. Oh, come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. What the fuck? You finna hit this bitch, boy. I gotta hop on the E-way real soon. So I'm gonna just let y'all boys know once I'm at the damn crib. So I gotta be safe, boy. As y'all can see, it's fucking snow on the ground. So your boy Davo does have to be safe, so I could keep posting videos for y'all cheap ass. So we just made it to the crib. Folks, this shit looking so pretty. Y'all seen how it look before. Then y'all, I was driving my cat yesterday too. I ain't record nothing because yesterday it was worse outside. But now the snow not that bad, so I could start popping back out. I was gonna record like a snow day video, bro, but it was so bad, bro. Like, I ain't about to be driving like 12 miles per hour the whole video for y'all just to record a snow day. It wasn't even worth it, but we'll record a snow day video for sure. But I was definitely driving this motherfucker. But they definitely cleaned this joint, I think. Yeah, they definitely had to clean it. Because this joint was dirty. I haven't cleaned this since I bought it. Yeah. Like, this car is kind of darker. I don't know if y'all could tell, though. Yeah, you could definitely tell. But this car is definitely darker, but I just feel like they close enough. Then especially when they get like darker. It's just better when they not sitting exactly next to each other. In the sun, this car is definitely lighter. We'll definitely put a dash cam in this joint. I just wanted to see how the dash cam look though first before I put the actual like one of these on here, because I only got one more left. So before I put one of them up here, I wanted to see. Cause let me see if y'all like y'all see all them dots. This is not dirt, bro. These is all like little shards in the glass, bro. Shit is not dirt, bro. Trust me. We're definitely cooked, buddy. We're definitely cooked. Yeah, and I'm low-key blue that they PPF'd the front joint, but they ain't PPF'd this. Like, that's what they really should have did. They should have PPF'd the damn car, man. I don't know what the hell they was thinking. This shit look like you could pull it up. But yeah, though, y'all. That was that video. I'm going to drop more videos for y'all boys, just updating y'all on this joint. This is just a little light-ass little video. Just to drop some content for y'all boys. But if y'all want more, all y'all got to do is hit your boy up. Oh, and I could remote started now, too. They just gave me this, too. Guess that they tagged it when they was there. And she was taking it off. But I told her, hey, can I keep that? She told me, yeah, you could keep it on, man. Now I could remote start this joint. So we back in that mode, shorty. I was gonna take it to Chevy in this video too, but shit, obviously it either turned off on its own or they ended up plugging in a little OBD reader crap and turning it off. But it probably turned off on its own. It's just weird because it's like every single time now I bring it somewhere, it just automatically turn off. I don't know what it is with the